It's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make a beautiful new soup recipe. This is a cauliflower and leek soup, and I'm going to be using the brand new Vitamix A3500i. This is the best Vitamix blender on the market in my opinion. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, it's got a digital timer display, really amazing blender. So let's get started. I'm going to start off, I've got 3 cups of cold water. All my measurements are down the side of the container here in cups and milk. I'm going to have a hot soup ready in about 5 minutes. I'm going to put in some cauliflower. Now I have actually lightly steamed this cauliflower. I know we're called Raw Blend, but you know, at Raw Blend we're just about incorporating more raw foods into your body. And when I steam the cauliflower, it's just going to give it a nicer taste to this soup recipe, okay? Because we're not essentially cooking it when I blend it. So just lightly steamed. Cauliflower is really nutritious for you. It's got some amazing health benefits. It's anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, really good for your heart, and really good for brain health as well. So I'm going to put in, you know, that's about half a cauliflower. Put that in. I've got some leek. Now leek is really, you know, underestimated in my opinion. It's an absolutely nutritious and beautiful vegetable. So I'm just using the white part of the leek. That is raw. I'm going to put that in. Really good health benefits as well, leek. And I've got some cashew nuts to cream it up. So instead of using milk or dairy, this is a healthier alternative. Some nice raw cashews. You can use roasted, it doesn't matter. And I've got some thyme on my hands, so I'm going to put in a little bit of thyme. 4 sprigs of thyme, give it that beautiful flavor. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Got a vegetarian stock cube, animal free, MSG free. Just throw it straight in with the wrapper and all. I get more iron in my diet. A little bit of salt and pepper. Away we go. Don't be lazy guys, make sure you peel the stock cube. No nutritional content in the wrapper. Everyone's heard that joke a million times, but it's still a good one. A little bit of pepper, good crack of pepper, and some Himalayan rock salt. Put a good crack of salt in there to get some flavour into it. That looks pretty good. It's coming out nice and slow out of this grinder. Beautiful. Cauliflower, leek, thyme, cashews. Looks delicious. Let's lock our lid into place. Now with the Ascent 3500i series blender, I have these 5 programmable settings. So I'm just going to hit the soup setting, hot soups. It'll come up 5 minutes, 45 seconds. That's how long it's going to blend for. I literally hit start and away it goes. So there's no heating element, it's just going to cook using friction. Imagine if I did that 500 times a second, how hot my hands would be. Same principle is working on the blades, so it's just that friction heat going to cook our soup. Okay, pretty cool. Let's start it up, away we go. That is it. That's how easy it is. I've just vacuumed the floor, mopped the floors, put the washing out. My hot soup is done, ready to go. By the time you drive through the local drive-through, I've made a nutritious soup in my Vitamix. I can feel the heat coming out of the container there, 10 times hotter on the inside. It's going to increase in temperature about 10 degrees every minute. So we'll see the steam come out of here. Okay, check this out. Woohoo! Steaming hot soup, 5 minutes, absolutely delicious. Smell the flavor of that leek and cauliflower. Smells so good. I'm gonna serve some of that out for you. Look at that. Beautiful and creamy. Beautiful healthy meal for the family for dinner. I've got some smoked paprika. I'll sprinkle that on top, garnish it with a little bit of thyme. Happy days. Try some of that. Delicious. Try this recipe. You're absolutely gonna love it. Happy blending.